Hello viewers, welcome to WordPress Bangladesh. Today I will show one error how to fix. This error is PHP Fatal Error, maximum execution time of 30 second exit. How to solve? When you try to update in WordPress, it's showing PHP, sometimes it's showing PHP execution time 30 second exceeded. So how to solve this? Go to your computer. I am showing in localhost. You can also update in your cpanel. Go to C drive, in xamp folder, then in PHP folder, then click type P or in PHP, see here php.ini configuration setting file. Right click and click edit. Now Ctrl F for search, max underscore execution, find next. Please see here there is assign default max underscore execution underscore time equal 30 second. Now I will change this 360, that means 6 minutes. Then save. Okay, I already saved. Now trying to update again. Now click the update button again. Please update now. Update now. Please see now the limitation is not showing. It will update soon. Downloading update form. Okay, so thanks for watching this video. Please stay with us. Thanks. Bye.